say thank you sa inyo po, sa lahat ng sumusuporta. Please do help us spread the word. Habang wala pa sila, I'll take this time to express my gratitude sa inyo pong lahat because this means a lot. To be able to share the story, to be able to tell stories para po sa inyo. Ayan na po sila. Ako na mag-i-introduce, Bibi. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Miss Cindy Miranda and Max Natapol. Isang masigabong palakpakan naman dyan! Ako ba yung host?
Thank you, no problem. Hello Max, hello Cindy! You see how excited everybody was outside and in here to see you? Is there a message you would like to impart tonight? Would you like to tell them?
Yeah, you know, it's such a warm welcome to be here tonight, and I'm so thankful and thank you, brother, so much for having me. Yeah, I think it's gonna be so amazing film.
Exactly. Okay, let's hear from the children muna, Cindy. Althea!
Hello po. Thank you po sa lahat po na nandito para supportahan po ang aming movie. Sana po ay magustuhan niyo po, and sana po ay sabihin niyo po sa inyong mga friends and other family members na hindi po nakapunta para mapanood po nila. At ayun po, thank you so much po sa lahat, sa VAA, sa Viva Films, sa Studio Viva, and sa family members ko para sa support. Thank you!
Eman, invite mo silang manood ng Kumantong.
Manood po kayo ng Kumantong sa July 3. Invite niyo po lahat ng family members niyo po, pati yung pinsan, pamangkin, pati rin po yung mga best friends niyo po, kaibigan. Isalin niyo po sila sa panonood po ng Kumantong para makita po nila yung movie.
Siyempre, invite namin ang family members at ang pamilya namin. Thank you, Eman and Cindy!
Ito na. Salamat po sa pagpunta ngayon. Salamat po dahil kasama po namin kayo. Ito na po, maraming salamat po. Kahit hindi pa po natin napapanood lahat yung movie. Nagpapasalamat na po kami dahil feeling namin sobrang love and supported kami dahil nandito po kayo lahat. Sana po ay magustuhan nyo at sana matakot kayo tonight. Ito na po yung hinandaan naming horror film this year. Sana po talaga magustuhan nyo. At sana, tama nga po yung mga bata, invite nyo po yung family and friends nyo to watch Kumantong po on July 3 na po in cinemas nationwide.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Awesome stuff. But before you leave, mag-photo op lang po tayo dito with Direk and of course the whole cast. And of course, everybody, please enjoy the movie. Everybody, and enjoy the film.
Sis, natin na tayo. Uy, dito na tayo. Ay, kita. Dito na tayo.
Absolutely gripping. Now, as we bid farewell to all of you this evening.
Direct. Wait, stand up there.
It's English. Dynamic in the film is very intense. Yeah, and it's making me so impressed. Yeah, thank you so much, guys.
Salamat, Direk. As always, thank you so much. Salamat, Thank you po. Sana nagustuhan niyo po. Maraming salamat.
Guys, one more time please for our Viva actors. Thank you everyone sa lahat po na mabubuo nitong pelikulang to. Please palakpakan po natin sila. And sa inyo pong lahat, this is for you guys. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Thank you for the love.
Ano nagsusunod pa?
All right, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. July 3 in cinemas nationwide. Hashtag is Kumantong and hashtag Kumantong Premiere Night. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Have a good rest of the evening. Bye!
Congrats, Miss Iris. Grabe. Congrats, Direxia.
Thank you.
Ang hirap Ang hirap mag-dance. Oo, sa kabila kami.
Gina.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, Dian. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Hindi kasama sa atin? Ano? May time bell lang. Hindi daw ako kasama. Okay. Okay, bagi na. Tara. Si Madam hindi doon ako. Si Madam hindi doon ako.
Miss Iris, what can you say na finally na show na? Anong cinema kayo? 6. Late ako eh.
I-video lang yan, i-video mo lang yan.
Ah, ganyan na lang.
Kasi picture na lang.
Ang ganda sila. Okay, last one.
Dito na. Maxi.
Dito meet.
Max here. Thank you, Dai.